Kayo po ba yung nag-resign or tinanggal sa OVP?
Nag-ano po kami, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap prior to the previous hearing. It was really a mutual decision, Your Honor.
What do you mean mutual po? Tinanggal ka po ba o nag-resign ka?
Nag-decide po kaming mutually kasi nag-express po ako na hindi ko kayang i-fulfill yung obligations ng contract as a spokesperson because to be honest with you, since I'm also a resource person here, I found it very difficult for me to go on media and be interviewed on the same matter kasi nawawala yung objectivity because I'm also part of the hearing as a resource person. So, sinabi ko po yun na I don't think I am capable of really fulfilling the contract. Naintindihan naman po ako, so we mutually decided na i-pre-terminate na po. Kasi ang contract ko po ay dapat hanggang December of this year. So, pin-re-terminate na lang po namin yung kontrata po.
Kanino po kayo nagpaalam?
Sa ating Vice President po.
Naging mutual po ba yung desisyon na ito? Or
I would like to think so, Your Honor, to be honest. Kasi ako naman, very forthright ako. Nagsabi ako ng difficulties that I'm encountering. Medically, I'm affected. But also, beyond that, it's really hindi ko ma-fulfill yung trabaho ko. Hindi ako makapagpa-interview. Hindi dahil sa ayaw ko, pero I think it would be inappropriate. For example, if I'm asked about the proceedings, I would rather answer questions here rather than in the media, especially if it's a comment by a member of the committee. I think it would be inappropriate for me to comment through the media. So sa totoo lang po, nahirapan din po talaga ako and I expressed that difficulty to the principal. At I'd like to think that she really understood naman po at that's why nag-agree kami to pre-terminate. So I sent in my notice to pre-terminate the contract and wala naman pong naging problema.
bakit po kayo nahihirapan? Nahihirapan po ba kayo dahil nahihirapan kayo ipagtanggol siya o meron po bang inuutos sa inyo na...
Hindi naman po, Mr. Chair, sorry. Hindi naman po. It's really... try ko pong i-explain. For example, meron pong interview regarding the proceedings here. Ako po kasi, personal view ko, kunwari nagkomentong isang kagalang-galang na kongresista tungkol sa proceedings dito, or pagtanungin ako tungkol sa mga issues na pinag-uusapan natin dito, I don't think, out of due respect to the members of this committee, I don't think it would be proper for me to answer through the media. Tapos magkakaharap tayo dito. Tapos either ulitin ko lang ulit yung sinabi ko. I would rather answer the questions here as a resource person. And I don't know if it's something that the committee would appreciate where I'm coming from. But sa totoo lang po, nahirapan ako magpa-interview. Kaya po kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ako nagpa-interview since nagsimula po yung itong komite na to. Hindi po ako lumabas sa kahit anong interview. That was my difficulty personally.
One more question, Mr. Chair. May mga inutos po ba sa inyo na nahihirapan kayo sundin kaya kayo nag-resign?
Wala naman po, Your Honor. I would like to be clear about that also. Wala naman pong inutos sa akin. In fact, kahit po sa interviews naman, I was given free rein to whether accept or not an interview. But lately, talaga pong personally, I don't know, it's me. I think it would be inappropriate to answer things through the media rather than through a committee. And then maybe after the investigation, pag may magtanong, then we can all discuss what happened during the committee hearing. Pero kung alam nyo naman po, minsan ang media, minsan tatanungin tayo, ano ang nangyari? Kung kunyari, hindi pa naman napag-uusapan sa committee, ayaw ko sanang pangunahan din po ang ating kagalang-galang na committee.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.